Sometimes when certain things happen in court cases, a lot of stuff comes out in the next couple of weeks regarding people who weren't necessarily involved in them, but they had an inkling of what was going on, and some things they actually go against what the certain witnesses are stating. Well, in my comment section of the last day or so, a lot of people have been telling me that Elon Musk was actually suing Amber Heard. And I was a bit like, what? Why would he be suing her? Then they told me it was all over frozen embryos. Just with that there, I couldn't stop laughing for one, because first of all, why did those two have embryos together? And secondly, Amber's acting coach came out and said, Johnny wanted her home and pregnant, but she said no. So why would she want embryos? So we're going to take a little look at it, and we're going to read what's gone on. Again, this is coming from the Daily Mirror, and it's coming from Jennifer Howell, the person who done a character reference for Amber back in 2015 regarding the Australian immigration, because she snuck in 2 of her dogs. And she was like, oh no, she's amazing, she's this, she's so lovely, she does this for charity, she does that for charity. So they were like, right, okay, come through, you just gotta do a public apology and that's it. And that's what happened. So, Amber was locked in a legal battle with Elon over frozen embryos. Exclusive, in documents seen by the Mirror, Jennifer Howell, a pal of Amber's sister Whitney Henriquez and mum Paige, says the latter told her that billionaire Elon was suing the actress. AH and Elon were locked in a legal battle over frozen embryos, it is claimed. In documents seen by the Mirror, Jennifer Howell, a pal of Amber's sister, Whitney Henriquez, and mum Paige, says the latter told her the billionaire was suing the actress. In the statement, Howell said, Paige told me she was in a legal battle with him over the rights to embryos they had created together. He wanted to destroy them, while she wanted to keep them to have a baby. Comparing Elon to Amber's ex, Johnny, Howell said, Paige told me that Johnny was either an angel or a saint compared to Elon. Paige passed away in May, and Howell made the claims in a US trial that Johnny has brought against Amber. Her statement will be in evidence in the trial in January. So January next year is where we got the big one, where it's Johnny versus Amber. That is going to be, to be honest with you, it's going to be fireworks. There's going to be so much stuff coming out from the woodwork. You're going to have people from the past who didn't even know what's going on. All of a sudden, they're going to be like, oh, well, he done this, she done that. And it's going to be quite exciting to watch. And to be honest with you, it's sad that has got to happen, because, again, when people get divorced this day and age, it's normally like, right, we're getting divorced, that's it, bye-bye, I don't want to see you again. Unless they got kids. But even if they got kids, they try and stay a distance away. But with this one, obviously Amber she went to the Washington Post, she done a op-ed, and literally in that she said she was a survivor, she was this, she was that, Johnny was all these horrible things. But obviously she didn't think that he would take her to court. Well, he has. She received subpoenas from Johnny's lawyer after Whitney testified in the High Court in Johnny's trial against the Sun. In Johnny's UK case, Whitney said a drunken Johnny nearly done this to her at his LA home in 2015. She said Amber responded, don't do that, and done this to him, and this is when Johnny done that. But Howell, Henriquez's employer at a charity, the Art of Elysium, at the time disputed this in a sworn declaration to a US court describing Amber was this and saying she feared Johnny was going to go. And then we got, obviously, the London High Court heard that Elon visited Amber at the LA penthouse she said with Johnny during their marriage. But Elon told the New York Times this last weekend now that he did not do anything with her behind Johnny's back, and their relationship started after she filed for divorce. Well, just with all of that, we've seen tons of elevator footage, video and photos stating in the time from, I believe it was like May 22nd, to like the following week, where Johnny wasn't even in the country and Elon was there every single night. We've heard from the concierge saying that me and my team, we have seen Elon come and go between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. every night. And they've even said that Amber asked them if Elon could use the private penthouse elevator. basically come in the back way, go up there to the elevator so no one can see him. But obviously, it's all recorded, and that's what we got. So it's interesting to see that this is currently going on, and I've tried looking around as well, and there's no other stories regarding that, if they have been destroyed or if they're still there or whatnot. But I can see that from Amber's point of view why she would want to keep those embryos and have a baby, because, well, the baby daddy's a multi-billionaire. You know, straight away it's like, you're going to pay maintenance, I want this, I want that. And, you know, Elon's going to pay it. Because, again, for some unknown reason, he seems to, or he was, infatuated with her. You never know with these type of people. But we're going to leave it by there today, so it's kind of a short video, because I just want to get this out there and just to tell people that it's literally mind-blowing how crazy this is. But if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates, and I'll see each and every one of you soon.